Sorry. Hey guys, it's me again, and
Easy.
today we're doing, guess that ASMR sound challenge, but it's not really ASMR because
They're just sounds.
in my room they're just sounds.
Put them in stockings. Put them in
And-
stockings.
Yeah.
One
Okay.
of mine's too big to fit, so.
You guess first.
Okay, so you get your stocking then.
I know. Close your eyes. I'm gonna find something. I'm gonna find a blindfold set. Okay, we're back. She's just doing that. Okay. First thing I'm gonna do, you gotta come closer.
There?
No, like here. Don't worry, you can't see it yet. It's not out. You can open your eyes. Well, go here. I'm gonna be the one making the sound. Okay, ready?
I can't see us.
Oh, whatever. Okay, whatever. You're a bit up. Ready?
A bit.
You ready?
Yep. Is that you brushing on the side of the camp bed?
Yes.
I know, because I know the sound of metal when you
Yeah,
like
okay,
rub on
ready?
it.
Ready for the next thing?
Yep.
This is gonna be a little bang on answer. I'm gonna put it next to your ear. Okay?
Is that like a wristband?
No. I thought this would be easy.
The phone case?
No.
Like rubber? It sounds like rubber. Are you clicking your fingers?
No.
Can I have my eyes? Oh, it was the slime.
Listen.
It feels like
Go like that.
it sounds like rubber clicking.
I forgot most of the things I put in my stockings, so it's kind of slice funny as well. Ready? Oh god. Let me find it. Let me find one at least. Oh, these, okay.
I'm a bandit.
Actually, no, I'm gonna choose
Probably
this
I'm a
one.
bandit.
Okay, ready?
Yeah, I guess so.
Cover your ears as well.
Ears, why? Oh, to get them out.
That made a loud noise.
Oh, they're the Haribos.
Oh,
Because of the packet, you can hear
that's
it.
ASMR. Okay, ready for the next thing?
Mhm.
Two more things.
How long my hair is. And then I look at Helianas and I'm like,
Yeah. Ready?
oh. I guess so. It's the Haribos again, isn't it?
No,
It's like a wrapper.
it is a wrapper. But
Is
what
it-
sweet?
The bubble gum.
No.
A lollipop.
No. Talking of which, I still haven't had my lollipop or Haribos.
Oh, jawbreakers.
No.
So I guess it's a wrapper.
Yeah. Is that your final guess?
No, the celebrations, not the celebrations, the Quality Street.
Yeah.
Yes, the purple one.
Where did my lollipop go?
Oh,
I want my lollipop. Okay. Don't worry. I'll pretend I don't know. Okay, ready?
I'll just do it in a weird order, so you don't know what's what.
Oh,
that hard?
Oh my god, I forgot about this thing I put in. Oh my god, I completely forgot. I'm gonna do that last though. Ready?
Yeah.
Because this is gonna be easy.
A hairband?
No. I see you peeking.
Yeah, hi. Scissors.
Yeah, you peeker.
I'm sorry. I
actually
like
forgot that I put this last thing in. I was
Okay.
like feeling around for the scissors. I was like, wait, what's this? Ready? You can't peek on this
I
one.
promise. It's too hard.
Ready?
Yep. Sounds like rubber again. You like tapping on something.
Mhm.
But what is it? How am I meant to guess what it's tapping on?
Listen. Ready? Do you hear that?
Is it your phone? Your phone?
A phone.
Phone case?
A phone.
Your phone?
A phone.
My phone?
Yeah.
Yes.
And look, I was doing this to make the sound.
Yeah, that's what I heard and I was like...
Okay, that was the last thing.
Ready? Close your
I
eyes.
don't cheat.
Rawr. I only keep on one of them.
Yeah. Okay. Itchy nose. Oh great, now I've covered my mouth. I want to blow bubble. Okay. What the heck is that?
Oh, it sounds so nice.
Sounds like metal.
No.
Can I touch it?
No, because it'll give it away. You can give up if you want.
Ooh! Is it a bauble?
No.
Oh.
Your teeth are still blue. Don't you touch it.
Oh, well now I know what it is. A chocolate coin wrapper.
No.
Oh, well I don't know what it is.
Oh, it does feel like one.
I give up.
It's your...
I would have never guessed that.
Good, right?
I'll put it back.
I'll put it there for now. Ready?
No.
Too bad. Okay.
Come here. Scissors.
Yep. The crafts ones. Okay, ready?
What?
That sounds so nice.
Oh, the pens I got from Santa.
Which are the...
The thick and thin ones.
Yeah.
Yeah, those ones. How much
Okay.
is it left?
3.
Okay. That's a wrapper.
Yeah, and...
My
you know what it
lollipop.
is? Yeah, because I poked you in the
I'm
face
hungry.
with a stick. Okay, these last two are not unstocking.
Oh, imagine if it was my beanbag. And that's the Christmas tree.
Okay, and what's this?
Bauble.
Wait, last one. What is this?
What? Sounds like it's going open and close. Do I have one of those scrunchy toys that go like... I think I do. Yeah, those scrunchy toys that go like that. What? Yeah, one of those.
No,
I forgot I had this.
I thought the Christmas tree would have been hard.
Really? Look. Sounds like a Christmas tree.
It's true. Not real ones. Real ones do not make that. Oh god, sorry. You got cats though. Yeah, they had to cut their Christmas tree and glue in half because it didn't fit. Okay.
This brings us to the end of the video.
Bye guys.
Get in the camera. Bye guys.